wait, not go back.
What are you doing?
Oh wait.
You ready?
Dude,
What was she doing?
Are we gonna still do the thing after school?
Wait,
Okay, you wanna come with us after school?
what are you doing?
We're gonna take our phone and we're gonna do a tour around the school with our phone.
Yeah.
Let's do our hello chair so we don't get in
We're
trouble.
gonna hang out tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Kenzie, let's do it.
I hope you know I'm recording you.
Does it look like I really
Are you
licked it?
serious?
Does it look like I really licked it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Oh, we do? Yeah, tomorrow. We have to be here at 3:30.
Make a funny face. Wait. Go like this, go like
Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. No, you gotta go like this.
Wait, I gotta film you from up here.
Okay, we gotta do our hello cheer, you guys.
I'm gonna do something.
You guys.
We gotta do our hello cheer.
You guys, we gotta do our hello cheer.